The California Air Tools 33000 low-volume, low-pressure LVLP gravity feed spray gun can be used for a variety of different applications, including automotive, industrial, marine, and woodworking. The key advantage of using an LVLP spray gun is that it requires less air, allowing you to use a small air compressor, including all 1 horsepower and 2 horsepower ultra-quiet models from California Air Tools. The included 1.3 millimeter needle and nozzle tip is ideal for use with lacquers, enamels, stains, acrylic polyurethanes, general urethanes, enamels, and other fast-dry, low-viscosity coatings. The 33000 spray gun reduces overspray and allows you to spray larger surfaces without having to stop. The 33000 gun features a lightweight 19-ounce one-piece aluminum body with a 1/4-inch air inlet, an easy-to-refill 20-ounce cup, and provides a spray pattern width of 7 to 11 inches. The separate and adjustable fluid, fan, pattern, and air controls make for more precise fan patterns and less waste. The LVLP spray gun has a maximum air consumption of 3.5 to 3.9 CFM at 30 psi, a working pressure of 28 to 45 psi, and a maximum pressure of 60 psi. The one-piece lightweight aluminum gun body makes working with this spray gun very easy. Additionally, the stainless steel fluid needle and nozzle are corrosion resistant, and post-work cleanup is easy. For more information or application questions, please visit California Air Tools.